How to insert SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. So if you want to insert SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus, then the first thing you need to ensure is you need to power off your device. So just power off by simply pressing and holding the power or side button and the volume down button until the power off prompt appears. So simply press these two buttons on your tab. Once you press, then you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on power off and you need to power off your device. Once you power off, now you need to go for the second step, and now you need to have the SIM removal tool, or you can also use a paper clip if you don't have the SIM removal tool, and you need to remove the card tray. So on the lower right edge with the device in portrait orientation and display facing up, you will have the card tray. So just use the SIM removal tool or a paper clip to unlock the tray by inserting it into the provided slot, then remove the tray. And once you've removed, you will have this kind of interface, right? So under this, here you will have two spaces. The first in which you can add your memory card, and the second which is the small lot in which you can insert your SIM card. So before proceeding, just don't touch the gold contacts on your SD card to prevent them from damaging. Then on the third step, you just need to insert the SD card. So the SD card goes in the slot on the opposite side of the tray from the SIM card. The slot is keyed, so there is only one way to insert this SD card. Ensure the gold contacts are facing upwards and the notch is aligned with the SIM or the SD tray. And once you've inserted both the memory card and the SIM, then you just need to simply insert the card tray, then press it back into its slot until it clicks, making sure it's secure. Once you've done, you can restart your device or you need to power on your device, and you will have your SIM card and your memory SD in your Samsung Galaxy. So that's how you can insert it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.